Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our die craft tutorial. Today we will show you how to make adorable animals figure using simple disposable plates. Let's get started. First, choose the animal you had like to create. It can be giraffe, a lion, a penguin or any other animal that inspires you. Take a disposable plate and turn it ups down. On the backside, draw the outline of your chosen animal using a marker. Then carefully cut along the marked outline following the shape of the animal. This will serve as the base of your craft. Now, let's add some detail to make our animal come to life. Use markers or paint to add patterns, colors, and other characteristics to your animal body. Making animal figure using disposable plates is a fun or eco-friendly craft that sparks creativity and imaginations. Let the, let's see this panda and fishes. It looks so gorgeous and pretty. So gather your materials and get started on your own collection of adorable animal friends like penguins, elephant. Okay, remember to exercise caution while handling scissors and other sharp objects. Adapt supervision of recommended, especially for younger crafts. We make these crafts for children to make fun, making bee or a duck. We use paints to make it easily.